Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on this really glowy, summery evening look. So if you want to see how I came up with it, then just keep on watching. Alright, so to create a really nice bronzy base, I'm going to be taking my MAC Layin Low with a Sigma 3D HD precision brush, and I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelids. And to set my eyelids today, I'm going to be using my MAC translucent finishing powder. And this is just to ensure that all the colours blend in really well together. Now to create a really nice bronzy eye for my first eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking Frappe from GEEK Cosmetics on a Sigma tapered E40 blending brush. And I'm just going to blend that really well through the crease. Then on a Sigma Diffused Crease E38 brush, I'm going to take the shade Cocoa Bear from GEEK as well, and I'm just going to apply that directly under Frappe. And I'm just going to connect my crease to my upper lash line with that Cocoa Bear eyeshadow as well. Okay, now for my eyelids, I'm going to be taking Glamorous by GEEK, which is like a really nice gold shimmer shade, and I'm just going to pat that all over the eyelid. And then my final shadow for my eyelids is also GEEK, and it's the shade Bada-Bing. And I'm just going to be applying this dark chocolate colour using a Sigma E25 blending brush. And I'm just slightly smoking that out along my upper lash line and connecting it to my crease by forming an outer C. So as you can see, there's a bit of bronze, some gold, and a bit of dark eyeshadows on the outer corners to create some depth. So for the next step, I'm going to take my L'Oreal Gel Intenza liner in Profound Black, and I'm going to apply that with my MAC 266 brush. I know this part isn't very detailed, and that's because I'm really bad at doing my wing on camera, which is why I always cut that part out, so I apologize. I'm going to try and get better, I promise. Now after curling my lashes, I'm going to apply MAC's Extended Play Mascara. For my lashes today, I'm taking the style Wispies from GRAIL Cosmetics. So these are my Wispies lashes from GRAIL Cosmetics. They're a little dramatic, but they're perfect for an evening look. Okay, my foundation today is Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Foundation in 370, which is like the perfect mix of MAC NC44 and NC45. And I'm applying this shade with my Fenty Beauty foundation brush. As you can see, this color appears quite light at the start, but you do need to give it a few minutes to oxidize and settle in with your skin tone. And then taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Tan Sand, I'm just applying this to my under eyes and also the center region of my face. And then I'm just going to blend that out with a damp beauty blender. And then taking my MAC translucent powder again, I'm just going to lightly powder under my eyes. To contour, I'm going to be taking my Havana shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Medium Tan Palette with a Bobbi Brown face brush. I'm just going to contour, so under my cheekbones, under my jawline, and also along my forehead. Because I'm trying to achieve a bronze look, I'm going to go quite heavy-handed with this product. And then I'm taking that same shade on a fluffy angled brush. I'm going to lightly contour my nose as well. And then using my MAC NC42 Studio Fix powder, I'm just going to lightly highlight down the center of my nose. And pretty much just dusting that baking powder off. Before I finish off the rest of my face, I'm going to quickly go back to my eyes and just do the under eyes. But before I do that, I'm going to set my face with my Mario Badescu facial spray. And this is the Aloe Chamomile and Lavender facial spray. Alright, so for my under eyes, I'm going to take the shade Cocoa Bear and with the Sigma E38 diffused crease brush again, I'm just going to run that along my lower lash line. Alright, so taking that shade Bada-Bing from Makeup Geek again, I'm going to apply with a Sigma E45 small tapered blending brush. And this is going to create some depth, so I'm smoking this out as close to my lower lash line as possible. And then for my lower lashes today, I'm going to be using the NARS Climax Mascara. For my inner corners today, I'm going to be using my NAPOLEON PERDIS Loose Eye Dust in Copper Element. And I'm just going to be applying this with a bullet brush. For my highlight today, I'm using my MAC Gold Deposit highlighter on all the high points of my face. And I'm using this shade on all the high points of my face to achieve an overall bronzed glow. Alright, for my lips today, I'm going to be using the shade Lady Danger from MAC, which is like a really nice warm orange shade. Because I've melted that into my lip palette in my kit, I'm just going to be using a lip brush to scoop it out of here. Getting a really generous amount onto my lip brush and then gonna apply it to my lips. And then one final spritz of my Mario Badescu spray. And that brings us to the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought of it in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!